There were chaotic scenes outside the Criminal Records Office in Kingston today as persons desperately attempted to get inside the facility. In fact, we were told that things got so bad that it led to a physical altercation between the police and the customer. As Kalisha Williams reports, this comes just 1 week after the police advised that it is moving the application for criminal records online.
We have been hearing that doing any business at the Criminal Records Office here at Duke Street, Kingston is marred by lengthy delays and disorder. On Monday, we witnessed it firsthand. Frustration boiled over as customers waited to be served. This customer, Howard, traveled all the way from Port Antonio, Portland.
I have to get up from 4 o'clock in the morning. 4 o'clock to get here. And here is a chaos.
And when we arrived at the facility, it was about 2 p.m., 4 hours after Howard arrived. But as the hours passed, the crowd got angrier.
A big fight started this morning with a policeman and a security, and from that, them just a sabotage everybody out here. I want my paper to like anybody else. Police records are important, we can't even get a job without it. And look here.
So the JCF issued a statement on July 12 advising persons if they want criminal records, they will have to apply online, after which they will pick up at the police officers club. But according to the people here, that system is not working.
Then send me a police officers club to go do a pickup. And when we go up there, there's no information up there for us. And them send me back down here.
When I spoke with the police, I was told that although persons apply online, they will have to visit the Duke Street location to do a fingerprint scan, and then the application will be processed and sent to the police officers club for pickup. But this customer told me she did just that.
I need to collect some documents that I carry in from last week. Because I've done everything, all the process, so I need to pick it up this morning. And them send me to Alpha Tree, go pick it up. Them said never process for up there. It's down here because them need some error. Them get the error from overseas already. So I must come back down here.
When I go up, I talk to the man, they say I have to come back down here. All I need to do is my fingerprint and get it out of the way that I can send up this, that I can go for appointment for August.
For Hassani Morrison, the constant back and forth between government offices has been ongoing for months. He stressed that he made his appointment before he was advised that the services will be moved online.
I come from expungement, and the expungement place are the same thing. The expungement place up at Constant Spring or whatever road up there. So, where them tell you, say, if you do all your process and come, at 10 years before anybody in a job, you do nothing wrong here. All right. That's some there. Me there from 10 o'clock.
And even minutes after 3 o'clock, when our news team was getting ready to leave Duke Street, Mr. Morrison and dozens of other people were still waiting to be served. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
In the meantime, we unsuccessfully tried to get a response from the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit about the issues at the Criminal Records Office. Head of the CCU, Stephanie Lindsay, had promised a response, but up to news time, we did not get an answer.